Wow!
Where is he? Check the trash. He can't be far. Nothing here. Damn it. Over there. He went that way. Where'd he go? I don't know, but he can't be far. Let's check over there. Move it. Back in the car now. Whoa, jackpot. Gold for days. Gotta grab and run. Faster. Gotta go faster. Yeah, almost there. Woo, woo. I'm rich. Got the goods, boss. Straight from the street. In here, quick. Let's see what you've got. Pure gold. All for you. Deal solid.
Excellent. A pleasure doing business. Always a deal, my friend.
Behold the golden tree. Who offer 100 gold money? 25,000, 36,000, more, 45, 50,000.